First, let's dive into keyword research. Serpify's keyword research tool is powered by an extensive database that includes up-to-date Google data with over 7 billion keywords and nearly 2.5 trillion backlinks. This ensures you're always working with the most accurate and relevant insights. Let's see how it works in action. For this example, we're going to search for keywords for our coffee brand. I'll start by entering some generic keywords like coffee beans and best coffee beans. Next, you can customize the country and language to suit your specific target audience. This ensures the keyword data aligns with your region and language preferences. For our example, we'll stick with the default settings. Now we'll add our webshop domain. In our case, that's classicbrews.com. Providing your domain URL helps the tool identify the best keywords for your needs, as the ideal keywords can depend on your domain's ranking strength. You also have the option to filter for short or long tail keywords, or both. For this example, we leave both options enabled to maximize our results. Additionally, you can adjust filters like search volume, competition, and opportunity to refine your keyword research. Don't worry if you're unsure, I'll explain these parameters briefly in the next step. Once everything is set, we let our AI research tool generate the keywords. As you can see, we received a lot of results. The first keywords are the ones we entered as input, and below are all the new suggestions. By default, the list is ranked by potential. This means the keywords on the first page are the ones with the best opportunities for you. Potential is calculated using a combination of search volume, competition, and your domain rank based on the domain URL you entered earlier. From here, I'll start selecting keywords to save to my keyword collection. These can be keywords I want to use directly for my content, or the ones I would like to save for later. Before finalizing, I'll take a quick look at the second page to make sure I haven't missed any valuable keywords. If you have specific preferences, like focusing on keywords with high or low search volume, you can easily sort the table by keyword volume, competition, or potential. Once I have finalized my selection, I'll create a keyword collection and save all the chosen keywords to it. Now, if we navigate to the collection I just created, you see all my saved keywords are neatly stored there. You can always edit the collection or add more keywords later if needed. With our keywords ready, the next step is to create content. The first step is deciding what type of content you want to create. This helps our AI model determine the structure and length of the content. For this example, I'm choosing a blog format. Next, I'll select the focus keywords, followed by the 2 sub-keywords to refine the topic. I'll keep the language set to English, but you can choose another language if needed. For the tone of voice, I'm going with a formal tone to match the context. The target audience is pre-filled based on my website's default audience settings, but you can easily customize this to suit your specific needs. For the text length, I'll choose medium, and then I'll let the AI generate some potential titles for the blog. I like the first suggestion, so I'll go with that and proceed to create the content outline. As you can see, we've generated a detailed set of outlines based on the information we've provided earlier. The structure includes H2 headings with H3 subheadings nested between them. If needed, you can remove any unnecessary titles or rearrange them by simply dragging them to the new position. You also have the option to let our AI generate new headings or modify the existing ones to better fit your vision. I'm happy with how the outlines look, so we're ready to write some content. As you can see, our content is now loaded into the content editor. On the right side, you notice the content score, which is already 45 out of 100. Our goal is to get this score as close to 100 as possible for optimal sale performance. Sure, you can write all the content yourself, but Serpify is here to make your life easier. That's why our AI steps in to handle the heavy lifting and create the content for you. The AI has generated the text, and you can see that our content score has already jumped to 90 out of 100, which is great. This means we only need a few small tweaks to achieve a perfect score. Looking at the details, I see one keyword with a density that's too low. I'll make a quick adjustment and ask the AI to add this keyword a bit more within the relevant paragraph. Great, the issue is resolved easily and our content score is now at 95 with all major issues fixed. I'll save the content so it's ready to be published on my webshop. The last feature I'll show you today is the website scanner. As you can see, I've already performed some website scans for my customers. To start a new scan, simply click on New Scan, select your or your customer's domain, decide whether or not to include images in the scan and hit Start. Now that the scan for our webshop is complete, let's take a look at the results. The time it takes to finish a scan depends on the size of the website, but it's usually quick. Here we can see a full list of all the links that were crawled during the scan. You'll also notice the different tabs that summarize the number of issues, warnings, and opportunities found on the site. For example, I can see that some pages on this webshop are missing H1 tags. Every issue comes with a description, explaining what it means and how you can fix it. This makes it easy to address these problems. In addition to issues, there's also other useful information that you might find valuable for optimization. The website scanner checks for more than 50 possible SEO issues. By addressing these, you can ensure that your website or webshop is in peak SEO condition, making it easy for Google and other search engines to properly index your site and improve your visibility. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it gave you a clear understanding of how Serpify can be a valuable tool to optimize your SEO and help your website succeed. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help. We're excited to see what you achieve. So let's get your website to the top of the search results. Thank you for watching.